How to remove Telegram restrictions. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can remove Telegram restrictions. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to basically remove Telegram restrictions, you have to disable sensitive content filtering, and this cannot be done using the Telegram app. So what you have to do is not from the Telegram app but from your browser. Just go to web.telegram.org. I'll make sure to drop a link below. When you go to web.telegram.org, which is the web version of Telegram, and then you log into your account, from here you can tap the three lines option over here. Then just go to this option called settings. Then from settings you can simply scroll down here. Then you can go to privacy and security. Under privacy and security, you'll find an option that's a sensitive content, which is disable filtering. So by default, this could be unchecked, which means that filter is currently enabled. It says display sensitive media in public channels on all your Telegram services. So by default, this is actually filtered, right? So if you want to disable that filtering so that you can view sensitive content and remove the restrictions of your account, you can turn this thing on over here and save the change. It will get automatically saved. Now you can just try to reopen Telegram and try to do what you were trying to do. This way you should be able to go ahead and then remove Telegram restrictions. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.